This campus has grown into a fully fledged modern university campus with a vibrant student life. This new facility enables us to offer indoor and outdoor formal and informal events in a safe environment. What is unique about this hall is that it's also a digitized environment with Wi-Fi, with a sound system, with laser lights to depict the indoor sport facilities. So we are so excited about the value that this will add to the student experience. So we decided to launch a competition for staff and students to come up with a name that says something about the culture, the context, where it is situated.
I'm happy and proud to announce that the winner of the individual that elected the name for this hall was Unveiling.
Right, so my name is Mabunda and I'm the winner of the competition for naming the new multi-purpose hall. I got to the name Tsebonokeng by looking at the environment where our university is currently situated. We are at the river bank of the Vaal River, and from there that's where I knew that okay, since this is an educational institution or a knowledge institution, there's never been a name where it speaks about education and knowledge on one of the buildings. So I decided that, okay, how about I name it the River of Knowledge? But then I also looked at the fact that the Sotho language is dominant in this area, hence then I called it Tsebonokeng.